We're going to put the kill switch on this side over here. Once I feel like actually unscrewing it, putting it on, but yeah, carburetor has this color for air filter. I gotta get a hose to put on the valve cover filter, or the breather. But yeah, and of course we got a hurricane coming, so, well, possibly hurricane coming. So I had this thing wrapped up with a trash bag and a Ziploc bag, and I knocked this line loose. So I'm gonna see if I can put a zip tie on there to tighten her up, kind of like a hose clamp, but it's just a zip tie. They ain't going nowhere. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it running today. If I can, I will pick y'all back up.